guys, we got a 2007 Cadillac Escalade, and this goes for your Silverados, your Sierras, your Denali's, your Yukons, your Hummers, all of these vehicles with the 6.2 liter engine. Now, when doing these plugs and deals like that, I honestly go back from this side. A lot of people go from under the vehicle. I've always, for the most part, probably except one time, went from this way. And the best tip to this is do this one first. Do the hard one first. Get that out the way, and everything else will be easy. Now, to get these wires off, I kind of go in with a pair of pliers like this. They got the little deal right here. You can get it from Harbor Freight, you know, and you can go in there. As you can see, you can grab that coil and you can wiggle it side to side. It'll be hard, and you can get that out. That's how I kind of got that one out right there at the back. So you usually want to go to that back one first, get that out the way, and then the rest of them. And that's the same way I got from the top, you know, got that part off from the coils. Just say, example, on this side, this is how I would use it. This tool really works to, you see how I just got that out? Sorry if the video wasn't on it. But yeah, just go right there, get that off. And then the same for that at the bottom. I'll probably turn these around. Go in there, get a good grip on it, and move it side to side, and then get a good grip on there, and you can pull that out. And other than that, I always usually go from the top to get it. My hand can kind of fit back there. You can feel the plug, and it's more of a feeling thing. Once you can feel that plug, you can go and put that socket on there. So we're gonna get this 16, maybe an extension, or 5/8. All right, I'm going there. This is how you usually do it. I know a lot of people go from the bottom, but once I can feel it, I know where it's at. I'm good. So, see, I got the socket on there right now. I think right there. Okay. So my socket is on there right now. All I got to do is go in there with a wrench. Another deal will be to get this dipstick out the way also. Give you more flexibility. And it's like a 15, 16, something right here, whatever the size is. You can get a little bit more flexibility moving this dipstick out the way. But as you can see, I got the back one off, and I also got my socket on there ready for my ratchet. Just ready to go and take that that first one off. After you get that one off, everything else is easy to go. All right, guys, I still want to show you the setup I got right here. This flex head socket is good. It's something you find from Harbor Freight, but I want to show you the setup and don't want to leave you hanging. All right, check it out, guys. This is my setup. I got an extension with my 16th or 5/8, and then I got my flex head ratchet that's on the back right there. Everything is on there. All I got to do is ratchet it off, just like that. So that's how I get that back one off. I don't usually go from the bottom. It may be easy for some guys going from the bottom, but I don't like going on my back. So this is the setup to get it out. The 6.2 liter engines. All right, guys, we're coming out with it. Be careful, my glove is stuck. So you see I'm coming out with it. Once you get that one out, which is the first, the hardest one. Now you can go from the bottom if you want to. The AC Delco, if you guys want to know, 41162. I get mine from right here, and literally, guys, that probably took me a good 10 minutes. Now it is kind of cramped up in there. Again, you can get this dipstick out the way if you want to by getting that bolt off and give you a little bit more flexibility. You can get it from the bottom, but I'm just showing you that you can get it from this way. I did get it from that way, and once you get that off, everything else is literally easier to get to. Is in your face. And then this side, of course, self-explanatory, is right there, guys. It's the same thing with putting it on right now. I'm putting it on. You're gonna just fish your hands down there. You're not gonna be able to see it that much unless you come to the side. You can see where the tips are at the other parts, but you can see I'm twisting it on right now, not going from the bottom, just getting it from the top. And this is easier for me. I don't have to take off no tires or anything like that. But again, I got these tools from Harbor Freight, and follow Baba's Automotive. Just subscribe if you like for more automotive tips. This is my job. I do it on a daily, so I will be putting up more videos so you guys can look at. Thank you.